Red Canyon right there.
Oh, he's there. Okay.
12 comes down,
Yeah.
stops, goes into 83, 89.
Oh, okay.
Which we're down here somewhere.
Right.
I'm headed to
I
there.
might go actually. I think that's my direction.
It's really nice because you're not having to stay on the highway.
All right.
They've got a.
Is it very mountain, big mountains, or?
It's just a canyon. You're going all the way up it.
Oh, okay.
You're going to from this direction. You're going to be going uphill all the time.
Right.
Until you get to the top, and then you go back.
Thanks for breaking the bad news.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
There we go. Done.
All right.
Oh, now you're going to be driving in the wind.
Now, you sure you don't want to get in the car?
Nah, that would be cheating.
Okay, I won't tell.
Nah, I know.
Should be open.
It should be. That place is kind of a but it should be open.
Okay.
This time of year, I mean. It's
Yeah.
so you can get water there.
And before any place before? There was Hog
Springs. There's just a creek there. There's not like drinking water or anything. There's just a creek there.
Okay.
So there's really nothing. There is really nothing between here and Height.
How are you? All right, and you? All right. Really, Johnny.
Dennis.
Yeah, Johnny.
Danny.
Yeah. I come from Italy.
From Italy?
Yeah.
Okay,
And you?
I'm from Germany.
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 Oh,
Near
okay.
Cologne.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
It's wonderful here, huh?
Beautiful.
Where are you going today? Hanksville?
Maybe.
Maybe.
It's, I look. In the,
You have-
in the country,
You have a lot of water.
Hanksville is long.
You have a lot of water. If you have a lot of water, it's okay.
Yeah, but water,
Okay, fine. Then no problem.
5 liter and 2 liter milk.
Okay, that's fine.
That's okay.
No problem. Enjoy. Good to see you. Good luck, yeah?
You go to East too?
Height today and tomorrow height blendings.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's very good.
It's just
It's
up and down.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
With
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
It's wonderful.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
go about, okay.
Okay.
It's a nice.
All right.
Nice.
Bye, Billy. All right, take care.
join you.
It's a tough day, unless the wind changes.
The wind's not going to change. I think there's like a weather system blowing in.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll, I don't know, man.
Yeah. There's always hope.